Approximate number of princely states in India at the time of independence was A. 300, B. 700, C. 600, D. 150. Right. Prem Vatika, Poems on the Life of Krishna, was composed by A. Bihari, B. Surdas, C. Rasthan, D. Kabir. Right. Which nomads from Central Asia, mostly settled in North, West India around 1500 BC? A. Aryans, B. Dravidians, C. Turks, D. Persians. Right. Which plan was ratified as Indian Independence Act 1947? A. Cabinet Mission Plan, B. Mountbatten Plan, C. Wavell Plan, D. Cripps Mission Plan. Right. Magadha is in the state of A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. West Bengal, D. Madhya Pradesh. Right. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List I. A. Mopla Revolt, B. Pabna Revolt, C. Ekka Movement, D. Birsa Munda Revolt. List 2. 1. Kerala, 2. Bihar, 3. Bengal, 4. Awadh. A. A1B3C4D2, B. A2B3C4D1, C. A1B2C3D4, D. A3B4C1D2. Right. The cancellation of the partition of Bengal was announced in the Delhi Darbar held in A. 1906, B. 1911, C. 1919, D. 1920. Right. Which party came to power in the year 1967 in Tamil Nadu? A. Indian National Congress, B. Dravidar Kazhagam, C. Dravidar Munnetra Kazhagam, D. Communist Party of India. Right. The entry port for trade between the Indus trading centers in Mesopotamia was A. Elam, B. Bahrain, C. Oman, D. Afghanistan. Right. The third round table conference was attended by A. Gandhiji, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. None of these. Right. The Gandhi Urban Pact was carried out in the year A. 1930, B. 1931, C. 1936, D. 1940. Wrong. Name the Indian who was associated with the discovery of Mohenjo-daro. A. Rakhaldas Banerjee, B. R.D. Chatterjee, C. W.C. Banerjee, D. S.N. Banerjee. Right. The first Sultan of Delhi was A. Qutb al-Din Aibak, B. Balban, C. Iltutmish, D. Muhammad Ghori. Right. The Indian National Congress was founded by A. Dadabhai Nauroji, B. Alan Octavian Hame, C. Sarendranath Banerjee, D. Annie Besant. Right. Bill Clinton is the fourth U.S. president to visit India. Who was the first U.S. president to visit India? A. D. Eisenhower, B. John F. Kennedy, C. Richard Nixon, D. Lyndon B. Johnson. Right. The Governor-General who followed a spirited forward policy towards Afghanistan was A. Minto, B. Dufferin, C. Elgin, D. Lytton. Right. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Sir Thomas Munro, Doctrine of Lapse, B. Cornwallis, Mahalwari System, C. Wellesley, Subsidiary Army System, D. Warren Hastings, Abolition of Sati. Right. When did our Constitution came into force? A. The 15th of August 1947, B. The 26th of November 1949, C. The 26th of January 1950, D. The 2nd of October 1952. Right. Subramania Siva built a temple for Bharat Mathat. Dot. A. Madurai. B. Vathalagundu. C. Tirunelveli. D. Papparappatti. Right.